Hey everyone, it's Pepper with another safety tip. Today, I'm going to be telling you the danger of mixing chemicals. First, I want to tell you how dangerous a cleaning product is. If it says caution, like this one right here, that means it's relatively safe, but you still should be careful. If it says warning, like this one right here, that means you should really be careful and it's a little bit toxic, so kids like me probably shouldn't use it. Wait a minute, this says keep out of reach of children. If it says danger, like this one and this one, right there and right there, it's highly toxic. So even grown-ups should be careful. Even by themselves, they're sort of dangerous, but when you mix them together, they're really dangerous. For example, if you mix bleach and ammonia, Windex has ammonia in it, it can create a poisonous gas called chloramine gas. This poisonous gas can cause headaches, nausea, eye burning, and even seizures. It can even kill you, so don't mix these two. Bleach should never be mixed with anything except for water. For example, if you mix it with rubbing alcohol, it can create chloroform, which can knock you out. If you mix bleach and toilet cleaner, it can cause toxic fumes. I don't have any, but if you mix two different kinds of drain cleaner, it can cause an explosion. So what happens if you accidentally mix some of these and start to feel sick? First of all, you need to get outside in fresh air, and anyone else with you, you need to get them outside with you. If anyone has trouble breathing, you need to call 911 immediately. If everyone feels okay, you need to call poison control to tell you what to do before you go back inside. I hope everyone has fun learning about mixing cleaning chemicals with me, and I hope everyone stays safe. Bye. But Mom, the YouTube video I just watched about mixing cleaning chemicals said I'm not even allowed to use it. That means I don't have to clean the bathroom. Yay!